So that is the middle office. Then you have your back office. So what is the back office? That is your operations and technology, where trade settlements and the clearings are done. So basically, what are trade settlements and clearing? When you put your trade, it is cleared at T+2, right? Trading day, the day which you trade plus 2 working days. So after basis on that cycle, the clearings are done, right? We have to stock exchanges here in Mumbai. I think everybody is aware about the NSE and BSE, right? Then you have the data management part. Then the data of the trade and everything is managed by the back office. Then the IT support and infrastructure is also provided by the back office because we are talking about the technology there. Then the next part is why is it a top choice or why you should be going into or exploring the investment banking sector. The reason there are four most important reasons right now is one because India is launching a lot of IPOs and it has become the largest market in IPOs by surpassing China in the past 5 years. So if you've heard about the IPOs in the past 5 years like Nika, Zomato, LIC, which was the largest IPO. So there have been a lot of IPOs coming up, right? Then, as per a global banks report like HSBC and UBS, they're expanding their wealth management services in India. So this HSBC and UBS, there are global MNCs which are expanding here in India. So definitely they'll be needing more people to work under them, right? And the wealth management part also comes under the IB operations. So definitely the sector is growing. Then second is as per a NASCOM report, the GCCs has risen around 1700 from financial year 25, which is around 2975 centers, 2975 centers. So now what are GCCs? Those are global capability centers, which means that, for example, the client is there in US. Okay. So let's take an example of, I will give you a very simple example of the health industry in US. So here, if you're not well, what you'll do, you'll directly go to the doctor, you'll get your checkup done, you'll make the payment, and you'll come back to your home. But in the global countries, in the other countries like the UK, US, Europe, how it works is you're not well, you go to the doctor, and the doctor says that he gets your treatment done and everything, and then you don't pay your bill. What happens is he says that we will deduct this from your insurance, right? So what happens, so now the doctor will not call your insurance company. So what these they do is they open their centers, their GCCs here, which gives them support, which provides them technology and everything here in India, right? So they provide the support from here in India, and you are going to be a part. So you will be working at the back. You will be managing all the data. So that is a very simple example that I've made you understood, which is basically that they will have one arm here in India is, is what a GCC is. So according to Naukri data, the average salary of an investment banker who has 0 to 3 years of experience ranges from 4 lakhs to 12 LPA. Now, here also the criteria differs on the kind of skills that you gauge, how your communication is, how much effort are you putting in to sort of grow. Okay. So this is about the top 4 choices about the investment banking career. Now let's see the top roles that are there into the investment bank. That is investment banking operation analyst, sales and trading analyst, mergers and acquisition analyst, so on and so forth. So these are the types of roles which are there. And if you see the investment banking program enrollment in India by career level, if you see, so around 39% of the people are from the age of 18 to 24, and that is around 39%, right? From the age of 18 to 24 who want to be a part of this investment banking. Then the early to mid career are from 25 to 29. Then if you see by sector, from which sector are people coming in? So if you see, there are like 50% of the people come from the background of finance, banking and NBFC, and other, if you see, 8% are from IT, 11% are students, then 12% are from the CA audit and accounting firm. Okay, now moving further, since we've all understood about the investment banking sector, why it should be a top choice, and why you are here, right? So now let's get now deeply understand about the program, what the program is, and what is in for you, how it is going to help you to ladder up into this journey. And if you want, if you're a fresher or somebody who has a degree in BFSI, but you want to sort of pave your path into this IB. So how you can do that? So let's understand more in detail by the program overview. So talking about the program, it is designed with the industry insights. So when we say industry insights, that means while we were designing this program, we have connected with a lot of employers, right, who are going to hire you directly after your course is over. So we have connected with them to understand what real world scenarios can be included, how the curriculum should be designed and shaped for hands-on learning, what sort of simulations can be used for hands-on learning. We've connected with professionals who are a part of this industry to understand how this interview process works and what should be put in that can help you to crack the interviews. So that is what which says designed with industry insight, and the program covers topics such as trade life cycle, asset management, KYC, anti-money laundering. That means these are all topics which are directly suggested from the employer. So this is going to definitely help you in your career to land a job. That also comes with the criteria that how you gain the skills, how you are learning. Then, as I said, with hands-on learning via simulations. So you will learn with simulations. That means that actually how the real scenario works, how your Excel, how you will do your valuations, how you will calculate your NAV, mutual funds. So, and there are a lot of case studies. We give you a lot of extra read materials and everything, which will make you career readiness for the global IB roles. So that means when we say global IB roles, that means the curriculum is designed in such a way that in future, if you want to shift yourself from the Indian IB sector, you can shift yourself to the global part because we've designed it in such a way that it has aspects of the global regulations and global compliance part of the IB sector. Then the program has other aspects such as which will help you to be career ready. That is resume workshops, mock interviews, your capstone project, and so on. So, and this is a 4-month certification program which has everything, which covers everything which I have till now explained. Okay, so now we will understand the learning expectations about the course. So this program is a hybrid course, that is learn at your own pace with 120 hours of pre-recorded lessons. So when we say pre-recorded and live sessions, so pre-recorded means we have made your learning experience very interactive and engaging by creating videos out of it. So all those are animated videos. So when you're going to learn at your own pace, all those are animated videos which are going to keep up the pace and be at the same time being interactive in your learning journey. And and the other is your live sessions. So you'll have to go through the videos which are there and then come up with the and join the live sessions. And with the live sessions, you will have your expert sessions as well, right? Where you will connect with the experts, they'll give you guidance, they will clear your doubts, so on and so forth. Then we will have hands-on excellence soft skills training. So when you talk about the soft skill training, there we will teach you Excel, where we will teach you to have to calculate your NAV, how to do the financial modeling, all the part. So this is going to help you elevate, and this is going to be your module-wise learning. Then the soft skill is going to help you in your communication skills. It is going to help you to be confident and elevate yourself, elevator speech. It is going to make you very confident while you are giving your job interviews with the help of the mock interviews. We have trainers and experts who are going to help you for the mock interviews. Then the industry aligned curriculum. So when I say industry aligned curriculum, I've already mentioned that the curriculum is designed with the expert guidance who are the employers who are directly going to hire you, right? Then talking about the faculty, each of our faculty has 10 plus years of into the BFSI segment and who has worked with the uh, renowned global leaders which are there into the BFSI segment. Then talking about the program highlights, it's a job assurance program, which means we will give you 3 to 5 placement opportunities, and your job is to crack the interview. We will give you everything that needs to to learn, that needs to crack the interviews, but everything depends on you, how you take it and how you make it. So this is a job assurance program. We will give you 3 to 5 placement opportunities, and the salary range would be from 3 to 5 LPA. Then to equip you well with the real world examples and scenario and to test your knowledge, we have kept online assessments and assignments. So whatever you are learning, basis on that, there are assignments and assessments which you will have to go through, and feedback will be given to you so that you can improve yourself and understand where are you going wrong or right. Okay. Then career focus projects and capstone. So we have designed a capstone project. Our experts has designed the capstone project that is going to help you understand what you've learned and to apply it in the real world problems. And this you can put it on your CV. Not you can put it, you have to actually put it on your CV. So when you are hunting your job, while you're doing your job hunt, the employer catches the attention so they know that you have the right knowledge to join their firm. Then there are going to be a lot of guest lectures and the industry panel lectures that we have curated from the expert. So they're going to give you all the knowledge that is required for the hiring manager to hire you. Then talking about the learning expectations and experience, what you will understand or what you're going to get from the program. That is, you will understand the Indian as well as global financial markets. So here you have this best part that at the same time you're going to learn about the both the markets, that is your Indian as well as your global markets. Along with that, you're going to understand how the regulation works, how the framework works. And for both of them, we are going to give you hands-on learning. So you're going to go beyond the theory with live simulations, and which is going to help you to understand how the financial market operations into the IB sector works. Then implement about the KYC. So you guys have heard a lot of about KYC, AML. The word is this jargon, I will say, is used a lot, KYC and AML, right? While you're learning, you will learn in depth about what this KYC is, that is know your customer, what AML, that is anti-money laundering is, and how this compliance framework works. Okay, then you're going to leverage all the technology, that is your advanced Excel, the AI tools, and financial modeling. So these are your learning experience and expectations going to be from the program. And now, after this, we come to our next and very important and crucial part of this program, that is your curriculum, which, as I said, is designed with the guidance of the industry experts, guidance of the industry employers. So I would now hand over to our expert today, which is Tanvi, and she will help you understand more about the curriculum in detail. Over to you, Tanvi.
Thanks, Hetal. So, a very good evening to all of you, all the learners who are here. Hetal has already given you a detailed information about the program, about how the industry works, what are the different skills that are required, how this curriculum has been built. Each and every part has been covered by her. Uh, I would like to introduce myself. However, the introduction is already given. Uh, I have around 20 years of experience into banking, financial services sector, out of which it is into Royal Bank of Scotland, which was an investment bank. Currently, I'm handling the investment banking program as well. And there are other programs also that I'm looking after. So, this program, as Hetal has already said, that we have made in coordination with the industry experts, understanding that what are their requirements, and accordingly, all the modules that are there in this entire 4 months duration uh, are actually needed by the industry, right? The modules that are required when you go for the interview. So the first module talks about the financial markets and the system overview. The second module talks about account, understand the principles and concepts of accounting, financial statements, balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow, and all those things. Module three, very important, investment banking trade life cycle, wherein the entire overview of investment banking operations will be taught. Module 4 is KYC, AML, and compliance operations, wherein you will know about the know your customer process and documentation, anti-money laundering regulations, red identifications, suspicious transactions. Then Module 5 talks about corporate actions and collateral management, wherein you will learn about corporate actions, types, impact, and processing of it, collateral management, introduction and key processes. You'll also understand the different frameworks, regulations under which this industry works. Module 6 talks about settlement and reconciliation process, very important part of the trade life cycle, wherein buying, sell out mechanisms will be taught. Then Module 7 is about asset and wealth management, introduction to asset management and mutual funds, alternative investment funds, hedge funds, wealth management products and advisory. Then Module 8 talks about the risk management and regulatory reporting part, wherein you'll understand the different kinds of regulations across the globe. The other regulators are there in other countries. Then Module 9 talks about tech and digital tools, wherein we'll understand that how advanced techniques are making investment banking tech oriented. Then comes Module 10, wherein it's the last but not the least, wherein we will talk about career readiness and industry immersion. Okay, wherein you will know about how to build a resume, your LinkedIn optimization by the career coaches, mock interview sessions with the industry experts, guest lectures will be there by investment banking professionals, offline networking and team building sessions will also be there. Can we go to the next slide? Now you must be curious that who are eligible. So I think you might be having an idea, but I'll take you through that as well. So the program is best suited for individuals who are a graduate or a final year student from finance, commerce, economics, or business fields. An early career professional with up to 2 years of experience into finance, accounting, statistics, economics, or other business related streams. A career switcher looking to transition analytical thinking, basic financial knowledge can apply. So, as Hetal has already told you that we are a part of Times of India group, uh, we have a legacy that we carry on, and into the edtech domain also we are into it from a very long period of time, skilling for different programs. So we have a very strong, vast network of recruiters who recruit from us. For investment banking also, network or vast pool of recruiters who are recruiting from us, which we are continuously increasing as well. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So There is Straight Street, Broadbridge, WNS, HSBC, Citibank, EY is there. So a few names I mentioned, a few names are from the quite huge, quite large here at times too. Next, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, over to you, Hetal.
Yeah, so Tanvi, thank you so much for giving us a brief understanding about the curriculum, the eligibility criteria, and everything. Thank you so much, Tanvi. So we have seen that Tanvi has given us a good understanding and deep insights about the curriculum, right? And we're now ready for our next chapter, that is understanding the tuition payment and fees. So as I said at the very beginning of the webinar, this is not a payment or this is not your fees. This is an investment that you're going to make for your career. So this is like, this is going to help you to ladder up in your career, go one step ahead into your career. If you're a fresher, it is going to pave your way to be into this investment banking, which is the highest paying industry into the BFSI sector, right? So the installment plan for the payment structure works as if you want to go for an installment, this is how the structure works. If you want to make a full-time one-time payment, so the fees is 1 lakh plus GST. Okay, and this is the installment structure that you'll have to pay your application fees first, that is 5,000 plus taxes, and then the first installment before the batch starts, the second installment within 30 days from the batch start, the third installment with 60 days from the batch start, and the fourth installment. So this is how it is structured for you, that you can make your payment either in one go or either into this installment wise. We have other flexibility where you can use your credit card, like your Visa, Master, any of the card that you have, and then you can get it converted into the EMI. Then the other is the PayPal. Then one more which is there, we have a financing partner which is Northern Arc. So they will help you for your loan financing and everything if you require any help, right? Then from application to placement. So here I will help you with how the placement structure, the application structure works. That is, first you will apply online. That is, you will do your registration, fill in all the required details which are there. Then our team will call you. That is, your advisor will help you to understand. Then you will go through an interview process. That is, the faculty or the expert is going to take your interview and they will gauge your skills. What is your understanding on the financial market? What are the basics that you know? How are your communication skills? Basis on that, once you're shortlisted, you will make a fee payment. Then your enrollment and onboarding is done. And as soon as the enrollment and onboarding is done, you will get your LMS details and everything. You will have to log in into that, and the training starts for 120 days, which is 4 months period. Once you are trained and ready, you will be placed. You will be given 3 to 5 interviews where you have to crack your interviews and take a dream job. So this is about the application structure. And for more queries and to enroll for the course, you can directly contact on the number given on your screen, which is Mr. Ashutosh Devastali. That's the name of your advisor who's going to help you, guide you through for the whole process. You can take a screenshot, you can take a picture, whatever you want, or you can even note down the number. I think everybody has noted the number. I am keeping a 5 minutes window open for everyone to put your doubts, questions, whatever, and feel free to just ask whatever your queries are, and I'll be happy to help. Hi friends, whatever your doubts are regarding the session, regarding the course structure, regarding the course, you can just put it into the chat section and I'll take your queries one by one. As I said, we have a loan, we have a financing partner, Northern Arc. If you want to enroll for the course, you can also, connect with the number given on the screen, connect with your advisor. We also have a loan structure. So if you don't cannot make the payment at once or cannot make the payment into the installment structure, you can also help yourself with the financing and then go ahead with the course. Any any doubts? Anybody else? Vaishnavi, for the details, as I said, you will have to connect with your advisor who's going to help you. So the number is on the screen. You can connect with him. He'll help you with further details. Ravlika, as of now, we don't have any such, what you say, any such provision being made. But for any details, as I said, you can connect with the advisor and the number is given on the screen. You can just note down the number, take a picture or a screenshot. Yes, as I've said, it's a job assurance program. We provide you with placement, but you have to crack the interviews. We give you interview opportunities. We give you 3 to 5 interview opportunities, and you have to crack the interview. Without your skills, you cannot, take the placement. You will have to have the skills. That's the reason you're coming for the course. You'll have to make the registration fees first and then make the payment. You will have to make the fees first, as I've said. There's an installment structure. Once your course starts, we have given an installment structure for 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days after your course starts as the uh, payment structure. Are there any other doubts? Quickly, I'm giving you just 2 minutes if there are any other doubts, and we shall end the session then. Friends, if you have any doubts regarding to the curriculum, any doubts regarding to the enrollment process, you can let me know. You can feel free to connect. You can ask me whatever your doubts are. For the payment queries, you can connect with the number given on the screen. You can take your screenshot, you can take a picture, whatever, or you can note down the number and you can connect with the person. He will guide you. Anjali, the classes are live as well as videos. So those are animated videos as well as live classes that you have to go through. The course is an online course, so the interviews also would be conducted online. The mock interviews would be conducted online. At the very start of the session, I said this is an online course. It's a hybrid course, meaning you have online live sessions, plus you will have to learn from the videos. You will also get extra reading materials. Okay, I think there are no more doubts. I think everything is clear to everybody. So we shall end the session now. I hope everybody has taken a screenshot or noted the number. I am ending the session. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of this session. I hope you soon make your investment to career up into, to career up your into the investment banking part. All the best. I hope to see you all into the next investment banking batch, which is going to be launching. Thank you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Should I close the meeting?